Hey, welcome back. So today we are going to do Sagittarius and we're going to go with this one. And the eyes I've picked out are going to be, they're 6mm eyes and I can't pick them up. And we're going to go with those. They should hopefully match the colour on the sticker. They're a bit greener. Let's have a look. So we have blue. We could go with these ones instead. No, I don't think they'll match. Kind of running out of eyes right now. Right, so we're going to go with these instead. So we'll get those plugged in right now and we'll be right back. So we've got the first eye in and now I'm just going to cure it from the other side and then we will do the second one. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, so a bit of UV into the eye socket, not the eyebrow. They are so fiddly to do. Make sure I get the correct eye. Oh, and I drop it. Bear with me while I just pick this one up and plonk it in there. So now that's his second eye in. There you go. So there's the first one, and there's the second one. It's really hard to show you on a video, but both eyes are now in, as you can see. Happy little chappy. So what we'll do now, we'll just mix up some resin and then we will get the first base done. Right, now our resin is mixed, so we're going to pour it in the base of the frog, but up until the back legs meet. As I said before, all credit does go to Moody Dragon Creations, because without her I don't think that I could have pulled off any of my designs. And we're just going to check. There are a few bubbles, but we'll get rid of those in a second. Right, that's all we need. And we'll just let that fully cure and then we'll put the sticker on. So as you can see, it's to these back, just to the back legs. Don't over pour into the legs. And then we'll just leave that now and then come back later. So welcome back, and we are going to continue with the Sagittarius frog. He is now fully cured and the resin has mixed up, and we're going to add our colours. So we're going to go with these little fine glitters in little tiny bottles. we'll go with a spoon of each. Let that focus. Some holographic ones there. And then we'll mix that into the resin. So we have it poured already. No, we don't have it poured, we have it mixed. So we're just going to mix some glitters into the resin. So we've mixed a few selections of glitters in the little cup. I think that'll look really good. And top tip, when you do finish with these bottles, you can use them as like little message in the bottles. Seal the little lids, seal them tight, put a little bit of paper in there, and you can use it, reuse, and put it in your resin. Top tip. Right, let's just mix some resin in now with a glitter. Be careful without spilling any. Like she just did. I didn't want to put it into that cup because that's for other projects. Just wanted this all mixed. And possibly a drop of ink. Seeing as the colours are, I don't know, we do have blue in that. I didn't want to do it all one solid colour. So we'll do a dash of ink, just to colour the ink, colour the resin. God, it's Monday, I can't think. I just want to say a huge thank you to all my subscribers, all 155 of you. Thank you for standing by me and watching this madness and loving the short videos that I do. Alright, give that a wipe. Once this clear layer has fully cured, then we'll go in with a last layer which will just cover everything. We'll just give it a shiny white pearlescent colour base, I think. Right, that is now done. I don't want to fill it too much because I want to put a backing on top, so we've still got some room. Any questions, just leave them down below, and then I can answer you all as and when. Right, so we'll leave that to fully cure and then come back with the final colour.